My name is Heidi Clifford, and I am the co-president of CSCA. As the co-president of CSCA, we actually coordinated with Nathan Mins of Green Light Improv to have this workshop with our Morning Society group today, and we wanted to bring a different experience to this morning meetup. We just experienced a really unique and creative improv workshop where we learned how to collaborate with each other more with words and how to build conversations with each other, as well as how to take that into our client and job life. Leaving this experience as someone that works for myself, I have a much better approach at how to deal with certain client situations and conversations that often happen for me in meetings with clients, and how to build upon what I already know in these client situations and how to take them where I want them. My favorite part of this experience was the organic conversations that came out of the improv aspect of this. Having to kind of think on your feet is definitely a challenge for me, and knowing what to say is not always easy, but being able to think with each other and build off of what each other, I think, build off of how we are all thinking on our feet was really fun for me. If someone were hesitant about participating in improv, they need to know that they're not just going to be put on a stage and told to try and improv something. It's really the collaborative aspect of it is how you get to where we got today, which was building off of each other and not just your own internal thoughts.